The Dow had a relatively strong day again in this uptrend, but it has to be noted that the stochastics are now in the overbought condition, and we've moved somewhat away from the T-line as well as the 50-day moving average, but more so the T-line. This makes the belt hold bearish engulfing signal after some indecisive trading in the NASDAQ a little bit more crucial, in the sense that we're not seeing any strong buying anymore in the NASDAQ, and it's also in the overbought condition. So there's a good possibility that today's selling, the NASDAQ gapped up in the overbought condition and started selling off. There might be some more profit taking in this area. This makes some of our recommendations, such as HIMX, that came out of the scoop pattern, had some nice profits in it, but now we've got a left-right combo in the overbought condition. We still have just barely closed below the 3T line, making the 3T line, the T line itself, the next likely target. But if that's the case, we're starting to see sell signals in the overbought condition, and the NASDAQ looks weak. It might be time to take some off, because the worst case scenario is it could always be bought back if everything is negated with some bullish trading. This weakness can also be seen in our recommendation on Zales after the kicker signal and produced some good profits. We started seeing indecisive trading, and when it opened higher today, they couldn't take it up any further. They brought it back down. So even though it's still trading above the 3T line in the overbought condition, it's just time to be a little bit more wary of taking some profits up here. Once again, the worst case scenario would be if they started trading these higher again, you could always buy back in. But the indications that there's some weakness starting to show up in some of these stocks that have moved well is evident, with both the NASDAQ selling off and quite a few sell signals showing up in some of these profitable trades. Remember, we're not trying to project where the market might be going. We're trying to project what the market is telling us it's doing. And right now it's telling us it's getting a little bit sluggish. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.